Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. We are heading to Disneyland today. It's Friday the 29th and we're taking the kids to Disneyland today. They had testing for the last 2 weeks and today was their last testing day, so we are headed over to Disneyland to celebrate. And Tita's with us. Guys, you have to say congratulations to Tita because she is working. She's working at a school, and she's still going to college. So she's working part time and going to school. See, isn't that so awesome?
Are you a sub?
Okay, so right now we're at Starbucks. I'm gonna go get something to drink. I think it's my free Starbucks today because I went a couple days ago and they said that the next one will be my free drink, so I got a large. So yeah, so we're heading over there right now and we're not blocked off. We were blocked off every Friday except for this Friday in the month of April, so we're excited. And we will take you guys along with us. We also got Taco Bell. Taco Bell has their double beefy cheesy burrito for $1, and they also have a beefy what is it, beefy crunch burrito for also $1. So I got
what it looks like in the inside.
yeah, so Nathan likes it, but he likes Baker's. Like in our area there's a fast food restaurant called Baker's and he really loves that one. So, but this one's okay, but for $1 you can't beat that, guys. So, go if you guys live in Southern California, Taco Bell. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's all of Taco Bell. But yeah, so I just found out that it was out today or maybe a couple of days ago. But that's what we're doing now. So we're excited to go to Disneyland today. Yay! So we'll check back with you guys in a bit. Say bye. Oh, say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Ooh. So, see you guys later. Say bye, guys. Bye. See you later. Bye.
Rapunzel!
Hello, everybody. From the time I was just a baby, my mother never allowed me to go outside.
Each day, as Rapunzel gazed out her tower window, she wondered when would her life begin.
It was my dream to see the floating lanterns that appeared in the night sky every year on my birthday.
Look, Blondie, there's no way that I will ever take you to see those floating... Oh, okay, I'll take you to see the lanterns. Anything to get that crown back.
And so Rapunzel let down her hair. And down the tower they climbed.
Okay, well, this isn't weird. Climbing down hair.
Please let me heal him and I'll go away with you forever. I promise.
Knowing that Rapunzel never broke a promise, Mother Gothel agreed to allow her this final act of kindness.
I can't let you do this.
I can't let you die.
If you do this, you will die.
And so, with his last bit of strength, Eugene grabbed Gothel's knife and cut Rapunzel's head. No! How could you just stop moving around like that? Come here!
My golden hair suddenly lost its magic,
Causing Mother Gothel to wither into a shrieking old hag.
You see, the same magic that was in Rapunzel's hair was also present in this single teardrop.
Its healing light flowed through Eugene and sprang forth, swarming through the tower room.
And with that light came new life and new love. Can we get a huzzah?
So the wait for Big Thunder Mountain is 40 minutes. I think it's actually longer because the line, look at the line. It's super long right now.
I know, but like outside the front entrance.
Fast pass. Alright guys, so how long did that take with the fast pass?
1 minute, 2 minutes.
2 minutes? How long?
2.
2 minutes? That was so fast, huh?
1.5.
Instead of 40 minutes, guys, so always take a fast pass for this ride. Actually, for any ride. How? Want to go to the Mark Twain riverboat. Say hi.
To relax inside. The boat's not going anywhere right now, but you're welcome to come in and explore. The van just got here. Both sides are open. Come on in.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
Oh, we get to. You can watch this too. Go. Alright guys, so we're in the Mark Twain steamboat, just relaxing, like we just ate lunch. And then now Nathan's gonna have some of the Hawaiian gummy bears.
They're covered in it.
Is it really good?
Yeah.
It's really good, huh?
That's
Is it really
like
good?
my heart.
Is it really good? Go try it. Is it good?
Come on over, y'all. I ain't got all day. What's your name? Nathan, Dr. Celia. Nice
Hello.
to meet you. What's your name? Nice to meet you. It's a handshake. It won't hurt you. How you doing? Good? What's your name? Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Sarah.
I like this color. We almost matched.
Yeah.
Really? Y'all need to man. What's that about?
You need to take a picture.
You just never won it. Alright, we're here to take a photo or to make a deal?
What kind of deal?
Photo?
No deal. Oh.
Alright, and if y'all see Tiana too here? Y'all see Tiana? No? Good.
Beautiful day. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna go try to get a fast pass to Splash Mountain.
And we go in the box one.
Yep.
The box.
Alright, we got our fast passes and it's from 7 to 8. Now we're gonna just ride Winnie the Pooh really quick before we head over to California Adventure. Alright, we're heading on. Wait, Leah. Leah. Winnie the Pooh.
It's very confusing.
we are headed over to go get some soft serve ice cream, and Leia and I are gonna sit down while Tita, Nathan, and Sarah are gonna go on Soarin' over, no, not Soarin'. They're gonna go to Screamin', so I'll check back with you guys in a bit. Look guys, it's Food and Wine Festival today. So pretty. So awesome.
I want water.
Want water? Where's Leia? Alright guys, we are passing through Paradise Pier to get our soft serve. Leia is super tired. Her legs are hurting so bad. She doesn't have her stroller anymore, so she has to walk everywhere. So it's a beautiful day today. Alright guys, so that's where we're gonna get our ice cream, Paradise ice cream. There's not a long line. Last time we were gonna go here, but the line was super long, so we didn't end up going. But it's not too bad today, so we're gonna go there right now. Yum. Alright, the kids got their ice cream. Root beer floats. Everybody got their ice cream. And we're gonna sit down right now because Leia's tired. Alright guys, we're at Cars Land. We are gonna try to ride that new Luigi's Cousin ride. Is it Luigi's Cousin ride? I'm not sure if that's the exact name, but we are heading over there. Tita, Nathan, and Sarah, they rode Screamin', and Leia and myself just sat down and rested Leia's legs, her feet, because they were in pain. But yeah, so we're at Cars Land. It's getting cold, guys. It's getting cold. This is the ride that I was talking about. I think I was totally way off. It's Rockin' Roadsters. What did I say earlier? Something about cousins. Luigi's cousins. What? Luigi's Casa della Tire. 30 minutes, good? Look how pretty. So it's Rockin' Roadsters featuring our cousins from Cart Soling.
I knew it.
What are you eating, Leia? Apples. Look guys, it's a race car. Awesome, that's so cool. Is that Lightning McQueen? That is not Lightning McQueen, Nathan said.
That does not even look like Lightning McQueen.
We can't really tell. You are almost there. It's everywhere, I don't know. It's kind of like the Mater's ride. Alright, so we are at the new ride. I don't even know where it's going. let's say hi to Mater. We're heading back to Disneyland to go to Splash Mountain.
Hey, y'all feel like sweating?
We're back for our fast passes, and the line for Splash Mountain is still 45 minutes. Earlier when we got our fast passes, it was actually 70 minutes. So I'm gonna see how long it's gonna take for us to get in, for us to get on the ride. When we had the fast pass for Big Thunder Mountain, it only literally took us like 5 minutes to get on, and it was a 45-minute wait, so that was pretty cool. So here's the line. The line's pretty crazy still. So we're gonna cut in front of all these people and head over to the fast pass line. Hello.
All right, come on in. Let me collect it up ahead.
Thank you. We just experienced the craziest exit ever.
In Disneyland history.
No, in Disneyland history, that's the first time I've ever experienced that. And it was crazy. We were like dead stop for like, what, 15 minutes?
Yeah.
And it was, we were trying to leave during the parade, and we weren't even moving. So
And you got that never usually happened.
that never ever happened. So it was like dead stop. We were waiting, and everybody was thinking that something happened, that someone got hurt, something like that. But no, it was just people not listening, not people not staying to their right. So yeah, it was crazy. But yeah, so we're heading home now. It's like not even 9 o'clock. So, or actually, it's, what time is it? 9:30. It's actually 9:30. So we were waiting. We were heading out like probably like 8:45. So it was crazy, super crazy. But I think we're just gonna walk because the tram's probably crazy right now. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And that was so weird. I was honestly getting scared. But all right, I'll see you guys at our next video. Bye.